What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1963 Impala. What we're going to do is point out any kind of flaws I find on this car walking around it, checking out the interior, looking underneath, and then we're going to go for a test drive. We do this with every car on the lot. Definitely check out some of our previous videos. You can see all of our inventory at maplemotors.com. and also get financing and shipping. I went ahead and opened the trunk, flip this mat up. Notice there's some surface rust popping up here. Moisture was getting in the trunk at some point. It's not wet today. Of course, it hasn't really rained in the last 2 days. But I want to show all this so you know exactly what you're coming to get. Look up under the package tray. It's fairly clean. Go ahead and shut the trunk. We'll head up to the front of the car now. You gotta shut the trunk a little firm on this one. Guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. That way you can get notified anytime they pop on. This is a 454 up under the hood. I just decoded it. I think it was 73 through 90. Got power steering, aluminum radiator. Front disc brakes on this one. It's got 427 emblems. That's not true. Coming across the front here, front bumper has a little bit of oxidation popping up on it. Still in good shape. It looks nice and clean. The grill's the same way. Some of the headlight or the light covers on there have scratches and cracks. That old plastic just don't hold up to the time. Very straight down the side of the car. Tires are in great condition. Trim looks nice and clean. Get your mirrors and your door handles are nice and clean as well. Keep in mind, I am looking for chips too, little scratches. This paint job's in great shape. The corner back here could have been done better. You can see it's a hard jam to get into. We'll go ahead and run the whole thing. Rear bumper is in great condition. Dual exhaust out the back. Tail lights are nice and clean on this one, except for the inside of the framing. It's got a little bit of pitting showing up. That's on all of them too. With the actual plastic on it, it's not spider webbed or cracked. It's in good shape. On this side, there is a bubble popping up at front of the passenger rear tire. You see it popping up there, a little rust coming through. Let's keep running down the side, make sure. That was all. There's a chip right here at the bottom of the door. Still got the insulation under the hood, and it actually looks like it's been replaced. It's fairly new. Electric fan. You got 2 fans on this one. Shouldn't have any issues with overheating. Plus that aluminum radiator helps out quite a bit. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Package tray's in good shape. Headliner's nice and clean. Carpet's been replaced. A little bit spotty here in the back. Maybe they had some dirt or just need to get a vacuum on it, I guess. Door panel's in pretty good shape. It does have a spot up here in the corner, and it looks a little bit dirty from the age. I'm sure my guy cleaned it up, so. Weather stripping looks new around the door. All right, guys, go ahead, place your bets. Something we like to do on this channel. Do you think the horn works on this car? Starts up without me touching the gas. I can show you the mileage, but I can't stand behind it. This is not the original motor. It's showing 34,000 miles. Trying our wiper here. It works. All right, y'all place your bets on the horn. We're going for it. Nothing. Make sure there. Radio.
We'll level with you today and say, look.
Radio works. Blower motor. Blower motor is working. Blowing pretty hard too. So our oil pressure's coming up to around 50, 55. Water temp is not up yet. We'll be watching that gauge to see if it does come up. The volts, the battery gauge is coming up. Gas gauge, I'm gonna say that's probably gonna be working. Usually if they're up right there in the middle, they're doing a job. But we'll see that as we drive down the road. What's up with our panel here? Looks like it's kind of pushing off. Need to remount the panel because that looks pretty nice. We'll have that done. We're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down, and I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. Hood comes down very easy on this one. Make sure it locked. There it goes. Do got a lot of pollen and some spots. We're gonna take it back here and have it washed off, but the hood is very clean. There isn't really any at all imperfections on the hood. I just had the guy pull it up, and I guess he didn't see how dirty the hood was before we started this video. But it lines up good. And overall, pretty nice car. It had that one little spot back here on the passenger side that I showed you. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. I'm gonna start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, rear, and passenger side. You can also see close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. I appreciate y'all watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. Getting ready to go on a test drive, so be looking for that. You can also type in 1963 Impala Maple Motors and ride along with us. Just do that on any of our cars on the YouTube search bar. We do buy cars every day. If you got something you'd like to sell, go ahead, shoot me an email, maplemotors@aol.com. Please include pricing. If you're wanting to trade, we also do that. And we have financing available at maplemotors.com. We ship these cars all over the nation. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.